Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And there's a question that I got from quite a lot of users today. And it has to do with the updates for the, so if we go here in Windows Update, I'm going to show you Windows Update. So update history, of course, will show you the different updates. Today we had updates, of course, for .NET Framework. We had the cumulative update for security and so on, the .NET update. But if we look at other updates here, there's something called the Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. And a lot of people are mentioning, well, why isn't there any updates since February? And this is not something that is abnormal. Now, usually we do have these updates every month, but Microsoft on its blog post, which talks about the Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, does say that for some reason there could be months that there aren't any. One of the reasons could be that there's just no tool available for something new. So that means they won't push any removal tool for something that they don't, doesn't exist or they just don't have any tool for it. It could be that because of the nature of the different malware that we encounter, because the removal tool is really specific to identifying very specific malware that can be removed when you actually restart your PC, for example. So it checks several things. Sometimes it just doesn't have any new tools to push along, so it won't push anything new. It could be that the different malware that recently are being pushed, they don't have or haven't done any removal tool for them, and so on. It's not unusual, and I suspect that probably maybe next month or the month after, we'll eventually have something being pushed, which will be a Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. But even Microsoft says, even though you see it every month, doesn't mean it's going to be every month. So they've just jumped over 2 months right now. And it's probably the lack of any new tools to remove anything new for the time being. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.